Matters of the Heart. Sweetie was teasing me about how long I've been making this music. This is a song that's been with me a very long time, pre-Olamana, if you will. It ended up being the title track of our very first recording. It's a song that was written about, well, you know, the one that gets away. When you grow up on an island, you meet people who come from other places in the world. Sometimes you find them attractive, sometimes you hang out, sometimes they decide they need to go home. Well, if you keep following people, it's very expensive. This was written for a young love in my life. All I will say is that the person I wrote the song for came from Portland, Oregon. I had no idea where the hell Portland, Oregon was, let alone what kind of people live there, but I knew I liked this one. And so we spent some time together, hanging out, and when it was time for us to part, we thought we would be very adult. You know, as we all are at 19 years old, very adult about this situation. We would spend one afternoon together, so we flew to Maui, went all the way up to Kipahulu, hiked all the way up to the best waterfall, spent the whole day, came down, drove back on that long, winding road, stopping to pick up people who were doing this. It was the 1970s, it was Rainbow and Sunshine who emerged from the forest. They had been living on papayas for like 5 days. Don't ever pick up anybody who's doing that and drive on a winding road. That's ours. So coming back here to Honolulu, I was sitting on Diamond Head, Le'ahi, where I would often hike, and watching the planes go, watching the boats come and go, watching the birds come and go. You know, sometimes you have to be very careful about what you wish. Sometimes they come back. But at any rate, I did get a nice song out of it. Sometimes the evening time, I miss your smile, and I wonder what it would be like if you came and stayed here long. Laughing in the waters of a clear mountain stream, and looking into your eyes, I thought I saw my dream. Not coming till you brought my love to my side. I'll be riding like a seabird on the tide. Oh, travel far and wide, my friend, I know won't be long, until you find the words to write your own sweet song. Oh, look into the eyes of those you want to see, and reach out for every hand calls you to be free. Until you find your answers, I will wait for you, my friend, gliding like a seabird in the wind. Sometime at the evening time, I miss your smile, I wonder what it would have been like if you came and stayed a while. Until you find your answers, I will wait for you, my friend. Gliding like a seabird in the wind.